your fighter. Ready to fight.
Hi guys, my name is Elise Renee and thank you for tuning in to Elise Renee TV. I'm actually here with a wig review. I'm actually going to be reviewing two. All right, so actually I lied. I'm going to be reviewing one wig and be doing a separate wig video for the second wig. Just because I didn't want this video to be so long. So, there will be a second synthetic wig video from me. Wigs that I bought from hairsofly.com. These wigs are synthetic, and before anybody say anything about synthetic wigs, don't do it, because honey, from like when I was wearing synthetic wigs like 6-7 years ago when I was in high school to now, like synthetic wigs have really like drastically changed like altogether. So I'm going to be showing you some cute little wigs that you guys can purchase when you're on a budget, because not everybody has 200, 300, 400, 500, damn near $1,000 to buy a wig that you're probably going to wear like a couple of times. Not everybody keeps their wigs on that long. I know at least me, like I switch my wigs up like I switch my underwear. So I switch my wigs up pretty often. When you see me one day, I'm gonna have on a different wig. So the first wig is from Outre. It's from their Melted Hairline lace front. It's their Melted Hairline collection. It is a lace front wig. And it's from Outre. So this is like the little box it came in, and it also came in a little baggie. Both wigs came in like a little bag like this, and I most likely will be storing the wig back inside the bag once I get done reviewing them. So it comes packaged like this with a little hairnet to protect it, and this is the wig straight out the pack. It's very soft, and I actually like the hair texture. It's like a yucky hair texture, so it's not silky, so it will like kind of look like, you know, like natural hair. It's not too silky, and it's not too shiny at all either. It has a good luster to it, so that's awesome. This wig does come with lace all from temple to temple. And you do have distal parting in the middle. So you can't part the wig anywhere else but the middle. But that's okay, because I love middle parts. And any other, like, and for real, like, if you don't like just wearing the wig, like, in the middle, you can definitely always shift your wig to the left or to the right. And it'll be just fine. So, yeah. So this wig does come with a little bit of baby hair in the front, and it does like have like a realistic hairline as well. The lace color, I guess this wig is actually this is supposed to be like HD lace, I believe. Yeah, so it's supposed to be like an HD transparent lace. But yeah, we're gonna have to put like some, you know, some foundation on it. So we can blend this bad boy in. So I'm sorry. And also this wig, her name is Seraphine, or yeah, I'm definitely pronouncing that wrong. So this is the card, and she's a number 1. So I'm gonna just try these on before I change them up or anything, just so we can just see. Oh, and sorry, before I actually put this on, this wig comes with 2 combs right in your left, and then it comes with a strap for like a tighter fit. It comes with a comb in the back, and then you still get your adjustable straps as well. So again, this is the wig, and she's pretty long. Like, I'm pretty sure this has to be like 24 inches. I'm gonna look at the card. Hold on. So I don't know what actual length this is. It's pretty long. So I'm pretty sure it's like a 24-inch wig. But it's not a 6-inch parting space. It's actually a 5-inch parting space. And then it also comes with baby hairs as well that you can style. And, you know, make it look more realistic and hide some of that lace. So I'm going to go ahead. So I have the wig on now. I look kind of silly because this lace is on my eyes. But this is the wig on. So actually, like, this parting isn't that bad. Like, this is so cute. Okay, this is very cute. Okay, so I'm actually gonna try to... Okay, so yeah, this has to be like, okay, so yeah, I have on SpongeBob pajama pants, so like, don't judge me. Anyway, so, all right, so yeah, this is, oh yeah, she's cute. Hold on, like, she's cute. Oh, okay, yeah, she's cute. This is, she's cute. Okay, hold on. So yeah, this wig is it. Like, hold on. Let me just make sure, you know, get it down. Yeah, she's cute. She's really giving me, this wig is a vibe. Like, this wig is a freaking vibe. Hold on, I'm not sure it's because like it's because she's, oh yeah, I have concealer in my hand, but I'm not sure if she's a vibe because of the color. I really feel like it's the color that's doing it for me. Like, I know that it's a 1B, but it's something about like a long, just jet black wig with a middle part that just does it for me. And this is doing it for me. So I'm gonna actually come back and yeah, okay, so I'm gonna cut the lace off and I'm gonna go cut the lace off, and then I'm gonna put some foundation on it or some type of makeup just to make it more of my skin complexion. And then come back. So just 1 second. So now I'm just gonna take my foundation, and then this is NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, and this is the color is this? Yeah, I don't know what color this is. Yeah, I don't know what color this is, but yeah, this is the bottle. And then I'm also gonna be using some eyeshadow on it as well, because I might just use the eyeshadow, honestly, because the foundation not really needed. I can waste the foundation. way before I even fix my part and after I have put the makeup on. So obviously I have to put like some glue. Oh, I'm not gonna put glue. I'm gonna use way before I even fix my part and after I have put the makeup on. So obviously I have to put like some glue. Oh, I'm not gonna put glue. I'm gonna use my freeze spray to secure this down. But honestly, like, this is not bad at all. Like, this wig is gorgeous. Like, I like it to the side like this. So I'm not even fix the part because I like it like this. We're not fixing the part. We are going to wear it just like this. This is so cute. Okay. That's the one thing about this that I can really already feel it tingling, but she's so cute. Whew. She is so cute. End up tangling, so I feel like I will end up having to cut this sooner than later just to get a little bit more wear out of it, because I don't think I have like plans to wear this anywhere. Okay, so this is probably as much as I'm going to style it. So I actually really, well, yeah, this is as much as I'm going to do with it right now. So I actually really do love this wig. Like, I'm not sure what it is, but this wig is making me look so cute right now. Okay, yeah, this wig is making me look so good right now. And I love it. Yeah, this wig is... Okay, so again, I'm going to show you guys the card again. So this is the card for this wig. Okay, so yeah, this is the wig again. Just going over the card, it is, yeah, so going over the card, it is a soft HD transparent lace. It has 5 inches of parting space. It is completely pre-plucked hairline, so you really don't have to go in and pluck. For synthetic wig, I wouldn't even want to go in and pluck anyway, because just like, that's doing too much. And then comes with sideburns as well. I have to cut mine off because, yeah, my hair's not made for sideburns. Also, it is pre-attached. Oh yeah, it has a pre-attached wide, yeah, pre-attached wide elastic band for a secure fit. So that's a band that I had showed you earlier in the beginning clip. And then it has natural baby hair, so I really didn't have to like do my own baby hairs. I just had to go in and find the baby hairs they had, and that's what I did right here, so that, you know, it looks more realistic like that. And then also it is redesigned comfort fit ear contour. So yeah, this side I think I have to go back in and like do something, but again, this is the wig. I'm not gonna put no baby hairs or anything over this side because you won't be seeing this side if I was to wear this out. Like if I had the middle part going, I would have did baby hairs on both sides, but since I decided just to do a little swoop over method, we don't need all that. We don't need all that. But if I had to rate this wig from 1 to 10, I would definitely give this wig like an 8.5, taking off like a 1.5, just because of the tangle. Like I just know it's gonna tangle, and it's already starting to tangle. So like that's what I'm taking off. Like some it has not shed, except for like when I had cut like the lace off, and then I was cutting off the extra pieces to make sure the wig fit my head. Other than that, this wig is bomb. If you want a cheap wig, and honestly, I don't even know how much this wig costs off bat. I'll be putting the price somewhere in this video or down below. Maybe both, depending on how I feel. But definitely you will see the price of this wig. Like it wasn't expensive. I think for both wigs I ended up paying like $82 or $83, which really isn't that bad. This was the more expensive wig just because of the actual like the wig actually being a lace front, even though it only has that one party space, since you have like, you know, the ear to ear, and you know you have like the more realistic hairline and stuff like that. The wig was more, I believe this wig like 47, like it was less than 50. Yeah, it was like less than 50 or something like that. But yeah, I believe like the price of this wig down below. Thank you for tuning in to my channel today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will be back with another wig review soon. Bye.